Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. I'm Martyn Lucas. I go live every day that the markets open, up to 10 hours a day, and I'm in the studio 10 hours a day, 12 hours a day, in fact, researching, studying for you, answering your questions, making videos. My priority is to build the best, most honest, real YouTube channels, and there are two, this one and the music channel, in the world. I'm here to be honest and share everything with you. That's my aim, and that's what this channel is all about. What a day today. Today we've had the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank, and it's brought the markets down and putting huge scares into the market of a 2007, 2008 crash all over again, banks going bust, mid-session, not even at the weekend this time. So what do you make of it? Most of my portfolio is pretty okay. There doesn't seem to be any major headaches at the moment, but that could change at any point. We will see how we go. If you've just tuned in, welcome to all of you. If it's your very first time here, please do click subscribe, ring the bell, let us know you're here, and let's go through it all. Let's see where we are. Pretty scary stuff, right? So first of all, click subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're here. If we get 100 likes during the show, we'll give away a $10 cash prize paid out live in the show. And thank you very much indeed for joining me. Let's see who was here first. We've got Stephen Lewandowski from Florida is here. Thank you, Stephen, for joining us. Mike is here. Roger Fouchon. Hi, Mike. Andrew. Martin, how are you? Sam. There he is, the beautiful rocket man, Martyn Lucas, and the crowd goes wild. Nice one, Sam. Thanks ever so much for being here. It's been quite a day today, what can I say? It has been a very difficult day. Surprisingly as it may seem, my general portfolio is down, but my Roth IRA is up to date. Just shows you I'm doing a better job with this new account compared to last year. Let me share with you what I mean. This is my overall portfolio. It's down today, and it's very similar to my Roth in principle, but it has some risky stocks in there. But there you go. You can see it's down today, whereas my Roth IRA, which is predominantly J&J, Johnson & Johnson, defensive stock, is actually up. Not massively, 0.15, down 1% on the other account. So it's about 0.75% in it from a defensive position to maybe some more risk. I have Virgin Galactic and stuff like that. But there you go. My overall position is just under 43. We were nearly at 45 a couple of days ago, but can you imagine if I was in margin right now, what things would be like? Anyway, my concerns are this afternoon. Now we've seen the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank. Who is funding? Where do they get the money from our risky stocks? Things like Virgin Galactic. Who finances them? We want to know. We need to find out. Have they got any loans from the banks? Well, we know they have. We want to find out which banks. If it's SVB, we're in trouble because we'll see Virgin Galactic go down if that's the case. We don't know. We've got to find this out. We want to find out. Virgin Orbit, who finances them? Anyway, let's try and find out. Eric B is here. Spaceline, Sydney from Sydney Canada. How are you, Spaceline? What's your thoughts about Virgin Galactic, about flying, paying customers in Q2? It's a very difficult question, and I wish I knew the answer. Honestly, I don't know. I'm still bullish on Virgin Galactic. Here's my position. It's not the 2,000 shares it used to be. That's not because I'm less bullish than I was then. Then I had margin. And it doesn't matter, how bullish anyone can be. I've only got so much money to invest. When I had 2,000 shares of Virgin Galactic, I had margin. I still have access to margin, but I don't want it. I'm not using it. I am simply using my own cash. So I've got a lot less, half of what I used to have. So I can't afford 2,000 shares. It's simple as that. And you might say, well, you've got plenty of money in VU, and I'll show you on the screen my brokerage account. I've got here. We'll bring it up in a second. Let's have a look when it comes up. I'm just changing from my Roth to VU. You'll see I've got about $17,000. So you might say, well, if you're bullish, there you go. Oh, sorry, 14,000. There you go. If you're so bullish, why don't you sell some shares of VU and put them into Virgin Galactic? Well, even though I'm bullish on Virgin Galactic, we are in a very, very, very difficult time right now. We know that we are in a bear market rally, no question. We know we're not in a bull market at the moment, so things are risky. We know now the economy is perhaps improving. We've seen jobs today, the payroll come down slightly, or at least still going up, but the pace of growth is slowing. So there's a potential for seeing the economy cool down, which is what the Fed want. However, now we're thinking that we could go into a recession. We've got banks collapsing today, Silicon Valley Bank collapsing. So no matter how bullish I am on Virgin Galactic or other stocks like Virgin Orbit, the reality is these companies could go bust. Because liquidity will go, money will go, interest rates going up. The chance of borrowing, the cost of borrowing money, and these stocks owe money and they borrow money and everything else, and of course the collapse of SVB goes into the other market, other banks. We've seen the Bank of America now at a 5-year low. We're like not a 5-year low. It's made like 3% in 5 years. I mean, it's. The banks are in trouble, and when the banks are in trouble, everything else is in trouble. So I honestly don't know. I don't know. So until we know more, I can't say. I think Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit are all on a knife edge, as is Rivian. It loses money. It's up. It's got a lot of debt. It's going down. Lucid loses money. It's going down. The only stocks I want to be in is companies with history, with profits, with cash on the books, and that's that's things like, of course, an ETF like the S&P 500. That is Tesla to some degree, but they're just too expensive right now. It's overpriced. People are just pumping it up. Apple is a good stock. Amazon. All these things. McDonald's is great. Coca-Cola is great. But even the defensive stocks are taking a hit today. My J&J is doing all right, though. It's up 0.35. It's holding my portfolio up, keeping it alive. Google, that's dropped back now down to 2% up. That's dropped nearly 1.5% today. So that's now a buy for me. Not quite, but very close. Microsoft dropped 1.5% today, or thereabouts. Sabre Pulse, yes, a lot of concern today. A lot of people are concerned about Virgin Galactic, and they're right to do so with the collapsing, the first collapse of a bank. Finance. I mean, we want to find out who financed and who finances Virgin Galactic. If it was SVB, then Virgin Galactic is going down. No one's lending money right now. And the cost that they do is going to be expensive. So anyway, that's where we are right now. It's a difficult time for everyone. I'm just fortunate that I'm not in margin right now. But anyway, Sabre Pulse, lovely to have you here. We've got a few guests here. Mantas 6666, good afternoon to you. For those of you who just tuned in, my name is Martyn Lucas. We go live up to 10 hours a day. This is my studio here in Texas. Let me give you a wave. This is where we do our music in the evenings. We had a music concert last night for my birthday. We had a lot of fun with that. And over there on TikTok, House, you are my number one gifter. Okay, if you remain my number one gifter at the end of the show, which is in about 50 minutes, I will follow you back. One of the things I do, you can hit the little star here to be one of my subscribers, and then I actually make you a commercial. Put your channel on the screen here, your profile on the screen. It goes out to 20 different platforms. We're on YouTube right now. You'll see it behind me. And you're watching me on my phone. You're looking at my YouTube broadcast. And I will promote and advertise your account. All right, so I'm going to put you on the screen, and if you remain my top gifter at the end of the show, I will follow you back and tag you in my viral posts. So here you go. I'm going to put you on the screen right now. You will see yourself in about 30 seconds to a minute up here on the screen on YouTube, and you can see yourself coming up, and I will follow you back and tag you. If you want to grow your TikTok channel, that's how to do it, because I have 31,000 followers, so nearly 32,000 followers. So if you want to grow, I only follow back my subscribers and my members and my top gifters. That way I can engage with everybody. I don't just follow for follow. And be very, very careful. There are over 100 copycats on TikTok pretending to be me. There you go. You're on the screen right now on YouTube. There you go. See that look? All right. So if you remain my top gifter at the end of the show, I will follow you back. So I will check that periodically throughout the show. I have 3 windows open for your music channel. Thank you so much, Mike. We've got a week to get over this big hump of like 500-600 hours falling off. Once they fall off, we'll be fine. We can grow the channel again. It's just I've been telling everybody about that big hump we had coming up, but it's coming up now, all falling off over the next week or so. Once that's done, it'll crash down. It's like my music channel is like the stock market. It'll hit bottom. It'll hit probably 3,200, 3,400 hours, and then we'll go up. We won't be losing anything. Nothing will be falling off, because for a year I didn't do anything because of this channel. I've only had watch time on my channel for the last month that we've been doing this. So anyway, there you go. Schiffer Stephen, good evening to you. Saber Pulse. How are you this evening? DSSE. Hello, Martin. How are you? How you doing? Good to have you here. So we're watching for Virgin Galactic. I want to find out. I want to look deeper into its funding. Who funds Virgin Galactic? Where are they getting their money from? If it's SVB, then they're in trouble, of course. As Virgin Orbit and others, and Rivian and all these things. They did fund a lot of tech stocks. So, who did Rivian? Who did Lucid? We need to find all this out. Anyway, welcome everybody. We're coming up to 45 minutes before the bell goes. What a heavy day. I think once the weekend's out of the way, we could have a much worse week next week. I don't think that's the end of it. I don't think that's the end of it at all. I think this is just the beginning. I presume everyone's fully up to date with the SVB today collapsing. Anyway. Tamir says, after Monday, markets will go up. I don't think so. I don't think so at all. There's no evidence to substantiate that at all. I think the interesting point will come on the 22nd of March, when Fed Jerome Powell reacts to all of this. Remember, at the end of the day, the best thing to happen to crypto was the collapse of FTX. The best thing. It tightened everybody up. Everybody moved over to their ledgers. You all know what I mean by that, right? I put all my money on my ledger. It's secured Bitcoin up. Best thing to ever happen. We need to get rinse out a few things, and seeing a bankruptcy come within a bank, it brings everything down. And remember, we need everything to come down before it goes up. We need everything to come down. Saber Pole said, what is SVB? It's the biggest story today. It's the biggest story in the last 10 years. It's Silicon Valley Bank collapsed today, and all the banks are down. It's like 2008, the banking crisis, just at the first day. This is a very big day. A very big day today, and I'll share with you the global markets, how they're reacting. In case you haven't seen this, that's the biggest story of the day. Here we go. Hong Kong down 3%. They've closed now. In fact, I'll go further up. Sorry, there we go. That's better. New Zealand closed a few hours ago, down 0.84. Australia down 2.28. Japan down 1.66. Hong Kong down 3%. The DAX in Europe down 1.31. The FTSE in London, these are huge numbers, down 1.67. And then, of course, we come over to America, which is down to its last 45 minutes. Dow Jones down 0.75. Look at the NASDAQ, nearly 3% down, 2.72. New York Stock Exchange down 0.83, and the S&P is down 1.1. Pete Parker. Yeah, this is funny. Pete Parker says, no need to worry about SVB, with Virgin Galactic, because Virgin Galactic have got all their money from us, Martin. You're dead right. You're dead right. They got it all from me. They definitely got it from me because I bought Virgin Galactic at one point at $35. Yeah. I bought a share of Virgin Galactic, maybe 10 at the time, for $35 a share. So yeah, they've certainly got my money, or at least they haven't. Some trader, investor has, who bought my shares that I sold probably for like 10. So there you go. But then that person's going, well, I don't really want it for 10. I want it for 5. And off around and round we go, right? Hi, Martin. How are you? Good evening to you. Hope everything's okay. Yes, I'm well. Thank you very much. Thank you for everyone that took part in my birthday celebrations yesterday. It was absolutely fantastic. Really, really great day. It was a phenomenal day. Last year I thought was good, but yesterday was even better. If you've not watched all the events, we had a members only video for the morning show. So go and check that out if you're a member of the channel. And then after that, we had the afternoon show. Which was this one here, the afternoon show, which was public. Everyone could see it. And then, of course, in the evening, we had a music concert on my music channel. If you go down to here, see the music channel, Martyn Lucas there, look. And we had a music concert in the evening, and it was a lot of fun. So if you want to see a lot of passion and emotion and energy, and then go and check it out. Anyway, MSK, Tilray is at all-time lows. Indeed it is. Tilray could go bust as well. Looks like a bargain, but I'm not touching it until after the next earnings report. Props to you, Martin. You called it right. Indeed, it's all going down right now. There's no surprise. I mean, no one should be surprised. If you're investing, you shouldn't be surprised. You're reading the markets. Too many people are seeing the market for what they want it to be. Too much hopery, too much false information on YouTube, too much information that tells everybody what they want to hear because people want to hear good news, right? Or people want to hear dramatic news. And it sells videos. The only benefit is the people that create the stories on YouTube. This channel is not about that. It's about you, the community. I come second. There's the heat map. Look. It speaks for itself. Some of those red hot spots are very red as well. Some of those red hot spots, they are glowing red. Look at some of these, look. SCHW down nearly 8%. These are some very hot figures. Anyway, I think we can all get an idea of where the markets are going, right? Anyway, there you go. Not good right now. Tilray, I mean, yeah, I wouldn't. I mean, once stocks get this low, it sounds great. You think great, but stocks become junk. They become rubbish. They become worthless. There's no point buying a stock for 1 penny and thinking, hey, I can buy it for 1 penny. It's 1 penny because it's bust. It's useless. It's no good. That doesn't mean to say it's worth more if it's 10 times the price, but because that can happen as well. Bed Bath & Beyond, for example. People trading a bankrupt company, same thing. Anyway, let's read the comments. Evening all, says Mark. Oh yes, truly fantastic, wonderful time. Thank you very much, Paddy. Hi all, hello. Hope you enjoyed this. Fortnite Chills. I can't thank you enough. I don't know why you're not a member. There are last night you did like 3 months memberships. You should so be a member of our family. You supported the channel so much last night. I'm so glad you enjoyed it. It was absolutely great, and I loved it. Thank you very much, because I want to upgrade you to a YouTube member on Discord so you can share your thoughts with everyone. There's the invitation to join. If you're not yet a member, you'll notice 95% of our live viewers have badges, and 95% of our live viewers are members, with the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube. Officially, Mr. Beast, the biggest channel in the world, or one of the biggest, has like 9% of his viewers, live viewers, are members. 95% of my live viewers are members. It's off the scale. Anyway, there you go. There's a Discord. If you ever become a member, I can upgrade you live during the show. Bank runs are happening right now, guys. They are. Bank runs are everywhere. The Brickmark has just gifted a membership. Whoever chats most will win it. Simon Jones. Simon Jones has just won a membership. Simon Jones, come into the chat. I can upgrade your account. Fantastic. Mark has just donated a membership. Thank you ever so much indeed. Let's celebrate that one. That's a new member. Are you ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A new member. Hey, there we go. Thank you very much. Fireworks the lot. There we go. A new member. He doesn't even know it yet. I hope he comes in and realizes. That's Simon Jones. Let's see if he reacts. Could be very, very bad indeed. Hi, guys. Hi, said Stephen Lewis, said MSK. Why are the banks collapsing? Why are the banks collapsing? Well, that's a very big story. They got into trouble. No one bought them. They collapsed, and now everyone's taken their money out. So they've halted the stock. SVB is going bust. Stephen Lewandowski says join. Simon is not here. And don't forget, a lot of it's to do with the interest rates going up and up and up. The borrowing cost has got expensive. Remember that what Fed Jerome Powell has been saying for ages. Again, no surprise. Keep putting interest rates up, have no effect immediately. They do on the markets. The markets go, okay, rates are going up, going down, and they react. But the economy doesn't. It takes like months for the interest rates to be felt by the economy to start bringing the economy down, and that's essentially part of what happened to SVB today, Silicon Valley Bank. And now it's putting a scare amongst all the other banks, and now we've got other banks going down as well. I mean, but the Bank of America has earned 3%. I'll bring it up now. Look, it's a potentially 2007, 2008 situation right now. Remember how serious that was. Let me show you what I mean. Bank of America, BAE. Not BAE. What is it? Is it BOA? I can't remember now. What is it? What's Bank of America's ticker symbol? BAE? BAA? What the hell is it? What's Bank of America? BAC. I never understood why they do BAC, but anyway, they did. Bank of America, if you look at it now, over 5 years, it's down. Over 5 years, right, it's down 3.8. Over 5 years. Imagine if you invested in the bank. You are down 3.81. Can you believe it? It's no, it's not BOA. It's BAC. We're looking at it right now, Flight Channel. Bank of America is down nearly 4% over 5 years. Now, you might say it's got a dividend. Yeah, it's got a dividend of 2.82. But if you take into consideration the dividend, you're going to be out of money. Investors in the bank are leaving. Look at it. Look at that, 15% a month. Look at it. Look at that. 12% this week. That's the bank stocks. Look at it. And it went down. It was down 4.5% today. It's climbed back up again. down 1.23, but next week could be a lot worse for the banks. We could see bank runs, we could see all sorts of stuff. People take their money out. There's absolutely no point at all owning Bank of America shares. Zero, none. And considering that interest rates are going up, banks are making money. Who the heck's going to buy? What's the point? Why on earth would you buy the Bank of America? It's down to 4%. It's pointless. Could be very bad, yes. Kind of exciting, though. I want the market lower for longer. Well, again, you're absolutely right. As an investor, this is what you want. A lot of people got very, very rich out of the last banking crisis. Those that were at the top, those with margin, are the ones that went bust. But those who bought the bottom, they ended up doing very nicely indeed. So anyway, it gives you an idea of where we are. But you have to have money, of course, and it's hard to raise money if you have not got it. We've not all got money to buy the dips. And the question is now, there's every chance, and 22 was mentioning this yesterday, there could be a 20% drop in the S&P now. A 20% drop. If we get that, you will see bankruptcy for things like Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, because you'll see all liquidity go. You'll see the banking stocks collapse. You'll see interest rates spiral. You'll see all kinds of stuff. So don't be surprised by anything. I mean, the writing's on the wall now. Sabre Pulse just say if the banks are collapsing, maybe it's time for crypto. We are our own banks. No, because that will go down as well. I like your positivity, Sabre, but that's why we're doing the $1,000 to $10,000 challenge on our crypto portfolio. We've got a $7,000 to $100,000 challenge. I'm doing the $1,000 to $7,000 challenge. It's our crypto challenge where our analyst does all the assets for me to buy, and that's what I do. This is my position on my crypto account. I started with $1,000, and all we've been doing so far is been buying certain assets. I can't share what those assets are on the screen because it's a premium service that you get through our Discord server. But there you go. You can see in the last hour how I've risen. We were at 1,060 yesterday. We've been buying some stock. We've been buying some assets today. I bought quite a few different crypto assets today, and this is our $1,000 to $10,000 challenge that I am on. All I've got to do is put $1,000 in, and Ali will do the tell me what to buy when it's the time. But we don't do anything like hopiary. We don't guess. We don't do it with emotion. We look at charts. We look at analytics, and we make our decisions. Anyway, let me do a quick poll. Actually, I want to find out: are you in the Ali Tisro crypto challenge? I want to see who's involved in that now. Are you in the Ali Tisro crypto challenge? Yes or no? There you go. Who's in the Ali Tisro crypto challenge with me? Did you sort Coinbase? Yes, Mark. You know all it was? Because I've done it before. I always tell people, very, very important, Ali, and I know Ali will say the same thing. You have to use the advanced setting because you get a much better deal. The costs are much, much cheaper. The reason why I couldn't see it is because I had all my money, which is right. It was in. I didn't have any cash. I didn't have any USD. It was all in my USDC. It was all in my USDC coin. The reason for that is I earned 4% on that, so I had no money in the cash. And as soon as I put money in the cash, then it opened it up. I didn't understand the pairing situation. When you put a stock in, an asset in, it pairs it up with different currencies. And if you don't have USD available, it doesn't come up, and that way you can't do it. So all it was that. All it was I didn't have any USD. So all I did was sell some USDC into cash, and it was available. Now you might say you can convert because Ali said to me on Discord, you can convert from USDC to some of the assets, but then it depends. Some of you can't, some of you can, some you can't, and also some of the amounts were quite small today, and it didn't allow me to do them via a convert either. So there are rules and restrictions to all the different things anyway. But yeah, thanks for asking. I've been in and out of crypto, now just holding 2,000 worth and looking at it since Christmas. Just gonna forget about it and never sell it. Fortnights. Well, I'm not so sure that's the best strategy, because as Ali is showing me on the crypto challenge, he believes, and I can see where he's coming from. Most of the crypto that we're buying, we know won't be around forever, and we're not planning on holding it forever. We just want to go from $1,000 to $10,000, and you can all be in that crypto challenge with me. But yeah, so I don't want to be buying, Bitcoin maybe, different. Bitcoin different, USD's different, but some of our assets we're buying for explosive growth to get from $1,000 to $10,000. So we don't want to be holding them forever. When we feel we've made our target and our profit, we'll be out, and that's it. 1,000, 10,000. Take my money out, and I'll be very happy with that. Anyway, glad it's all sorted, says Mark. Thank you for trying to help, by the way. I saw the extra pictures that you sent in on Discord. Thank you for that. How was now seen as good timing? I'm not sure I know what you mean. Is there a banking crisis around the corner? Do you take special action based on the new situation? Yeah, well, to be honest with you, again, like I always say, there shouldn't be any surprises. There shouldn't be any surprises. Your portfolio should be a place that you can relax and not stress and not worry, and long-term investing. If you're trying to scalp trade, then you're taking every risk every day, right? That's what you do. But you should always be prepared. What if inflation goes up? What if inflation goes down? What if a bank collapses? It's that's why you have hedge. That's why you have a balanced portfolio. That's why you have diversity. So that's why I've only got 3% of my portfolio in Virgin Galactic. That's right. Now, if my portfolio was $10 gazillion, I would have a lot more money in Virgin Galactic, but it would still be about 3%. That is my risk tolerance. I understand my risk tolerance, because at the end of the day, it is a risky stock. It doesn't matter how bullish you are, it's risky. Of course it is. It's not the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is never going anywhere, whereas this could go to zero in a heartbeat. So you can't have 30, 40% of your money on one stock. We saw what happened to Rob Brennan, who his entire portfolio was Virgin Galactic, and he got completely liquidated. So, I love stocks and Lego. Isn't it mad that Lego is safer than the stock market? Stocks and Lego. Isn't it mad that Lego is safer than the stock market? You mean Lego, the little bricks? Is that what you're talking about? Is there a banking crisis around the corner? The banking crisis is happening right now, Tio Roll. SVB, Silicon Valley Bank, collapsed today. Halted. Going to zero. Yes. There is a bank crisis right now. There's your Bank of America right now. Over 5 years, they're down 3.25%. Is there a banking crisis? You were looking right at it. Project Freedom. Okay, this is what I've learned. The reason Virgin Galactic is doing what it's doing now, one of the reasons is over $30 million worth of shorts, or returning their money to BlackRock. That's what Project Freedom says. Virgin Galactic is down 2.75, under $5 now. I said it was going to $3. I stand by that. Nothing has changed. My my belief is exactly the same. And if it goes below $3, it'll probably go bust. Yes, buying and selling Lego is massive business. I never heard of this until I met you. Buying and selling Lego is a massive business. Bloody hell. Honestly, Lego is a better return than stock market at the moment. It's crazy. Oh, you were being serious there, weren't you? I didn't realise until Britmark explained it. 65% stocks, 35% cash, waiting, being patient, see what happens in the market. There you go, Stephen Lewandowski. I am going to be following that sort of percentage soon. At the moment, I am 100% stocks. In fact, let me think about it, because I have the $3,000 in the bank, right? In fact, I know that's money I'm never going to touch. That's my backup, sort of my backup money. I virtually do have. I have maybe 10%. So 90% stock, 10% cash, if you want to include that. So I'm sort of following your strategy, and I hopefully will be able to start building up my cash reserves as well. Right. I've got some news to share with all my family when everyone comes in. Is everyone here? Is all the family here? We've got 32. I think all the family are here. You remember on Saturday, I told you I got fired from my job. Do you remember? I was working at the restaurant doing the entertainment on a Saturday night. And do you remember I was taking my own crowd and bringing people in, and the manager there fired me, remember? And I went back and I begged for my job back, even though I didn't want to, because it's nobody wants to do that, especially when it's a job you're doing at a lot less value than you've done in the past, a lot less, if you remember. Well, there's 8 restaurants in that company, and the owners and the top people apparently still love what I do, but obviously I'd upset the manager in that venue by being too loud with all my audience turning up. So they've moved me to another one of their venues, which is just as nice, just as local, for the same amount of money this Saturday night. So they're just asking me, just be more background. We don't want to upset anybody again. So obviously I don't want to be a background entertainer, but I will, because it brings $2,000 a month into my portfolio. And that is really important, right? That I can do that. So I'm back again. I've got my job back. Tomorrow night, I'll be earning money. So on Tuesday, I'll have some money. Now, it won't go into the portfolio until the 21st, because remember I said the last 2 weeks I spent ahead of myself. I'd spent the money I already had coming in. So I can't spend the money on Tuesday when I get it, but I will be able to spend my YouTube money on the 21st. So I will have $2,000 a month again coming in. So there you go. We're back in business. Al, your money in Rio, you'll be up for the year. Let's have a look. At the moment, in effect, God bless all, says Paddy. Church of Logic's here. Yeah, I invest a lot of money into sealed Lego. It's a great investment and safe. I love that. Do not spend your cash right now. Big opportunity on Monday. What's happening on Monday? You're saying a big opportunity on Monday. What exactly is that? I have Safe Khan. I averaged down and bought 55 LTC at $70. I bought some LTC today. Yes, I did, as part of my crypto challenge. We've got a $1,000 to $10,000 challenge. Here it is. And a $7,000 to $100,000 challenge. We're doing all the charts for you. We're doing all the analysts for you. And it's part of our Discord server. It's a premium service if you want to be part of it. And I'm actually spending my own money doing it with my own money myself. The guy, Ali Tisro, is doing all the charts, is doing $7,000 to $100,000 challenge. And it's live on the show every day, 10 hours a day. You get to see what we're doing. So there you go. Join us if you want to be part of that. Safe Khan. We've got a new guest here. Would everyone please welcome our new guest in? Welcome. This is my studio in Texas. Let me give you a wave. How you doing? Lovely to have you here. And welcome. Just bought a new iPhone. Pump Apple. Well done, Martin. Thank you ever so much. Fortnite says hustle. That's great news, says Eric B. Yes, that's good news. It is good news. You're right. Sad to hear that, Martin. What happened with your job? Hopefully you're just behind. I explained it. Hopefully you heard what I said. Why don't you perform a topless bar? Yeah, right. Wonderful news, says Paddy. Sometimes a negative turn into positive. That's good news, Martin. Thank you, Stephen. Hello all. Would everybody please put their cities and countries in and welcome our guest in here today, Safe Khan. Put your city and country in, Safe, where you're from, and everybody will do the same thing. There you go. Guys, it's Cheltenham races next week. We're all going to be rich. Wish me luck. Good luck to you. Oops, giving away premium details on Crypto Challenge. I'm allowed to answer a question. Brickmark's going, oops. Yeah, Ali will forgive me for that one. I thought about it when Safe Khan mentioned it, actually. When Safe Khan mentioned that particular asset, I thought, can I mention that? And I thought, yeah, I'll reply to that. Anyway, there you go. Welcome from Florida. So, for those of you who just tuned in, if it's your very first time, we go live up to 10 hours a day. And everything here is my real money, my real shares, my real positions. And we do that because we're trying to grow the most honest, real YouTube channels in the world. That's our aim. And let me share with you, the portfolio is going for new lows again. Look at this. The banking crisis is now starting to take hold. We're going to get more on Monday, I'm sure. And some of our stocks could go bankrupt. So we need to be aware of that now. This is my actual money. This is my Roth IRA. Hang on a minute. Let me just come out of that a second. My app is frozen. Let me bring it up again. Let's try that again. Robinhood app froze there for a minute. There we go. We got it back. Right. Okay, now the Roth, which is safe, has now gone down as well. There you go. We're now down at 42. We were at nearly 45,000 a couple of days ago. There's my overall position. The Roth's going down. You can see what's going down. Coca-Cola, J&J, all my safe stocks are going down now as well. But of course, they'll go down a lot less than everything else. There's the portfolio breaking new ground now. But year to date, we're still up 3%. Are we going to lose that? Now, I said my portfolio bottomed in December. I'm going to stand by that. However, that was before a banking crisis. Now we've got a bank collapsing. It could very well go lower. But I'm not selling anything. I've got no margin. I'm completely safe. There's my position. My stocks are defensive, which is the best form of attack. More and more people will get scared as the days go on. And yes, they will. Over the next few weeks now, we're going to get massive selling. A lot of retail investors now will sell out, which we all are here, right? Ontario, safe. You? What is safe? What does you mean? Where are you from, safe? Are you from a country called you? Granada, live in the US. I just talked to Donnie at the $1 Million Club. He's the manager. He said, call him. How can I call someone I don't know who that is? Project Freedom, I have no idea who Donnie is at the $1 Million Club. I don't have his phone number. Why would I call him? I don't know what you mean. There There you go. Shin Dynasty, Bill, is near Saif Khan. How about that? Welcome, Saif. Lovely to have you here. Welcome, welcome. So if you want to access our Discord channel, it's free. But if you want all the premium services, it's a members perk. And you can become a member if you click here. Don't forget, we can give you, when you become a member, I go to work for you. This channel is provided by the members. It's why everyone's a member. I am live up to 10 hours a day. I share with my real trades, my real positions. We've got great analysts who study all the charts for you. Everything is real. We're not promoting or pumping anything. It's our real money. Anyway, there we go. Let me give you, did I give you the invitation? Yes, I gave you the invitation to join, yes. DR Maria, happy belated birthday. Sorry for the late wishes. Been away on a business trip. Thank you very much, DR. Is that Doctor, by the way? Is that DR Maria or Dr. Maria? Anyway. Thank you very much indeed for being here. If you missed the birthday party, we had, if you scroll down here, on the homepage of the channel, you'll see the upcoming live stream. That was yesterday's, I'll take that away today. That was yesterday's party in the morning, and then we had last night's closing bell show, which was open to the public. That was this one here. Go and check that out. And then, of course, on the music channel, we had the concert last night. We had a lot of fun with that. Thank you ever so much, everyone who took part. Now then, the Virgin Galactic song. As you all know, I recorded a Virgin Galactic song. It was sent to Sir Richard Branson. It's nearly 1,000 views now. There's the Virgin Galactic song. I'm hoping to have it played on the rocket ship for Virgin Galactic. I've given the song to Richard Branson. That's what I hope. Anyway, remember, if you watch it and share it, that might happen. That's the aim. And all the money I make from that song, I buy Virgin Galactic shares with. If I make $1 million, I will buy $1 million worth of shares. The rest is up to you. When will the balls come out, Kid Akazi? Not for weeks, not for months. I mean, I've been saying now for the longest time, spring, the late spring, summer at the earliest. Well, that's now going to be extended because of this bank collapse today. So no. However, this is what the markets want, though. They want, the Fed wants to see collapses like this, bring the economy down, go into a recession. Recession would perhaps predict a bottom of the market. Anyway, Roger, I'm a scuba diver. I've been in Grenada 4 times. Says Stephen. We all got very drunk. Was you drinking at home as well? Nice, Stephen. Did you visit the Umbrellas restaurant? Says Roger Fouchon. Okay. The banking stocks are going back down again. My portfolio now is down 1.69. And my Roth is hitting new lows. Yeah, there it goes. Now, this is not a time to be selling. This is not a time to be using margin. This is a time to accumulate the dips, as I've been doing for 1.5 years. As you all know, I'm down $41,000. $41,000, and I am not sad about that or down about that. There you go. Let me share on the screen. There you go. Look. In fact, look, I'm down now $42,500. It's not quite my bottom. My bottom is there. 43.5. So we're $1,000 to go, and I will be at my all-time low. Am I down? Am I despondent? No. Am I buying the dips? Yes. And I just keep investing in myself, and that is exactly what it's about. The best investment you make is yourself. So let's don't get doom and gloom about it. It's no surprise that a bank has gone bust in these times. No doubt, no surprise really. When the media is saying sell, 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 you buy, buy, buy. Exactly. Exactly. You don't, I don't buy on green days. You've seen me do it. I don't chase stocks. I buy when they're going down. Remember, Martin, that when all the retail investors get scared, it's called capitulation, by the way. When they all get scared and sell out, that's the bottom of the market. They sell. When prices are deflated and bail out, why do you think all are buying all these shares? Hang on. These shares at a huge discount. Who do you think is buying all these shares at a huge discount? Well, the institutions will be, and we will be, and I will be, and I am. I'm buying every dip I can. I would buy more today if I had some money. Absolutely, I'm not bailing anywhere. I'm buying more and more shares. I think it's prudent though to wait another couple of weeks, because I think once Jerome Powell speaks, I think it could go even lower. Definitely while he speaks, it might bounce up afterwards. But I think it's an opportunity. I really do. I don't think it's an opportunity. I know it's an opportunity. I'll go as far as saying that. Okay. Do you think the elite deliberately made SVB insolvent? I have that feeling. It could well be. I have no idea. Roger maybe. Can't remember the Umbrellas restaurant. Fortnite, I made it to 100,000 on my main account. Now it's at 44,000. It was my choice not to sell, and I'm not selling for years to come. I agree with you, Fortnite. Just keep buying. I am down $12,000. So that's not as bad as much better than me. That's 12,000, isn't it? Yeah, you're down $12,000. I've been waiting for space to drop below 5. I bought 100 shares at 488. Told you it was going down, didn't I? It's going to go to 3, I think. Grand Ants Beach area, says Stephen Lewandowski. Sorry, I'm just answering everyone's questions here. Apologise if I don't need to read them out, but there you go. All right. We got 9 minutes to go before the bell goes. It's a very, very tough day. But this is great. This is great. If you are taking risks and you don't know what you're doing, then this is bad for you. If you're up to your eyeballs in margin, if you've bought stocks that are collapsing, this is not good for you. However, if you're buying stocks that make money and are proprietary and are unique and are defensive and have good cash, good balance sheets, and you haven't got margin, this is exactly what you want. The only reason you wouldn't want this is if you were retiring today, tomorrow, next year, or the year after. Everybody else, this is brilliant. I came into the market a year and a half ago, and I bought at the top because I was producing this show and I had to buy at the top, because otherwise this show wouldn't have worked. Now I've been buying all the way down, and now I'm buying more and more lower. Those averages are coming down more and more and more, and that's exactly what you want. Martin, you used to say Tilray is a $40 stock. What is your current opinion? Yes, I still believe Tilray is a $40 stock. However, it's always has been and always will be about the legislation getting passed. Now that we thought would come last year. Now the new time frame, the new timeline for that is perhaps this summer. But companies can't survive in this current climate. The good news about Tilray is they do have money on hand. They're okay financially. They're okay. Anyway, I still believe so, but it's why I'm not buying it now. I'm sure Mohammed Kaheim will come on and say, why aren't you buying Tilray? It's down 14%. This is the time to buy it. No, it isn't. It's now in the danger zone. I don't want to throw more money at it. Now you might say, but you could lower your averages. Why don't you buy it now? You could lower your averages. You've only got 500. Well, I used to 600. I used to have 700. It's down $100, right? No, because I can afford to lose that 585 and it would hardly put a dent in my portfolio. Whereas if I throw another $500 at it, another 600, sorry, I would lower my average from 14 to 7%. That'd be great, right? I could lower my average. Brilliant, lovely. But at this point, it's going too low. It could collapse. And it's still 1.69 of my portfolio. It could easily become 3% of my portfolio very, very easily just by, going up again sort of 20%, which it could easily do. And if it goes to $40, I've got enough shares to make me rich enough without risking any more money. So remember, it's all about risk management. You might believe in a stock and think it's the greatest stock in the world, but what's your risk tolerance? How much do you feel that you can risk? And I'm not prepared to put all my money, all my eggs in one basket because Tilray might make me a gazillionaire. I have no desire to be a gazillionaire. I don't need to be a gazillionaire. I couldn't even care less about being a gazillionaire. As long as I reach 200 grand, that's enough for me to live on in my old age, even if I ever retire at all. So there we go. Anyway, I don't think space will go to 3, mate. Flights are due soon to take off. If they don't, maybe we see 3. Well, the reason why we could see 3, and I've always said the reason, and I've always said why I think it could go to 3. I'm not just making up numbers. The reason why I say it could go to 3 is not because whether we get a flight or not. Of course, if we get cancelled, then of course it can go down. But that's not what I'm concerned about. I'm concerned that the people that will fly won't be able to afford and they'll get cancellations. Remember, for the people that are booked and paid deposits, the deposits, the balances aren't due if you don't fly. So if people suddenly run out of money, and with the banking crisis looming, well, the banking crisis happening today, and other banks going down, which they will, there's a lot of people who won't have the money to fly. So they won't pay the balances. And interest rates are still going up. So Virgin's borrowing costs are still going up. That is what can bring it down to $3. Ali Tisro, too many people said no. Let's have a look. Are you in Ali Tisro's crypto challenge? 16% are. 84% no. Ali said, too many people said no. Join the Discord. It's getting very exciting now. We bought several assets today. What I like about it is well, not everybody, I don't think, but I think most people believe here that crypto does belong, does have a place in your portfolio. Most of you will agree with that. So the purpose and the strength of our show is it's real and honest. You're getting the real information, the hard facts, no clickbait, nothing to get you to watch the video, just tell you how it is. And we surround ourselves with people that we can trust to give us good information to the best of their ability. No one knows. Ali Tisra hasn't got a crystal ball like me. I'm the only one with a crystal ball. Ali doesn't know what's going to happen in the future, but he does have experience with crypto and had success with crypto. So I don't have to spend all day looking for the best crypto to buy. Because if that was the case, I'd just go buy Bitcoin, buy it when it dips and leave it. I mean, that's not very clever, is it? That's just straightforward. And there's nothing wrong with that. But if you want to turn $1,000 into 10,000 or 7,000 into 100,000, which is our 2 challenges, you need what assets to buy. And Ali has said, doesn't expect all the crypto that we're buying to be around forever. We don't care if it isn't. All we care is make $10,000 in my case, or $100,000 if you're on the 7 grand one. So because of that, Ali spends all his days in between normal life looking at charts, studying and deciding what crypto assets to buy, when to buy it, doing a lifetime worth of research. I haven't got to do it. I haven't got time. I'm doing the show. And Ali says to me in the Discord channel, right, today I want you to buy this. And today I bought it. And all of those of you in the crypto challenge did. So if you want to be part of it, I'm going to give it to you now. You can access it a number of ways. It's Ali Tisro's server. Go and check it out. It's free to go to his server. Here it is. But if you access the server, you will then be invited to the premium channels within it, where he does all the charts for you, answers all the questions, tells you what's going on, and so on. And it is a premium service. You will pay a fee for it. It's not free, because Ali goes to work for you, right? Like I do for you guys. If, on the other hand, you go, hang on, Martyn, you've always got ways to save us money. I do. I've got a way to give you a lifetime discount forever. And to do that, you use my server and you become a member of mine. Now, if you're a member of mine, there's the invitation to join. You'll get my membership virtually free, because my membership is inexpensive. A couple of bucks a month is the minimum, all the way up to sponsorship and investor level. With my server, you'll be able to access a lifetime discount. Here is my Discord server, which is free to access. But if you want the premium channels from Ali, then you can get the discount from me. All right? So that's what it's all about. I have no margin. I learned my lesson during the .com era when I put 10,000 in AOL and made $90,000? You made $90,000, but did you keep it? I bought GSK today. Nothing else tickled my fancy. Very nice indeed. It's good company to own. Nice, Roger. I bought oil at the beginning of COVID, March 2020. Made a lot of money by December 21. Ali spending time in Switzerland on his gains at the moment. He is on the piste. Lovely, isn't it? Yes, Brickmark, I take profits and use them to enjoy life. Absolutely right. Next bull run, I want to make enough money to live off for 10 years. My gosh. The bell has just gone and I missed it. I apologize for missing the bell. So I apologize. I am 1 minute late. Let's see what's happening to the portfolio now. Patience and timing is my formula. When the stock doubles, I sell half and hold the other half. I may have losses too. I didn't quite get that right. That was coming from Stephen Lewandowski. Anyway, so let's look at my portfolio now. Down 1.36. It's moving up slightly. Let's check our positions. The Bank of America today is now down for 5 years. It is down over 5 years. If you add into account the dividend, you're still losing money. Bank shareholders could drop that, and Bank of America could be next. Look at that. Not good, is it? The S&P is just up slightly in the after hours. We've got day trader of the day. Virgin Galactic is up 0.25% in the after hours. Virgin Orbit is down nearly 1% in the after hours. Rivian is up 0.21. Over the weekend, I'm going to do some research and find out who finances some of my risky companies and see if SVB, because by Monday, it might be too late anyway, but there you go. Apple, Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J holding up. Ali Tisro, best way, Matt. I wish I had money to do the crypto challenge. Come out about 6 months too soon. Good luck with it. I think the crypto challenge is very interesting, actually. It's a good way of doing it. Timing is very important. It's always good to get in at the infantry stage of a new cycle. Brick, you can join us anytime. Don't worry. Exactly. USDC stablecoin is depegged. Whoa, hang on. What do you mean it's depegged from the USD? Is that correct? I want to get that from Ali. We don't know. We can't confirm that from Sabre Pulse. Sabre Pulse is not a member. I cannot verify the information. Ali, is that correct? USDC stablecoin has depegged from USD. Can you confirm that? That is very, very important. I do not know that. Let me look at my USD, because it will be going down if that's the case. Let me have a look. I do not see that information. Green room. Okay, we've got Ali Tisro in the green room, the broadcast lounge. Let me open it up. We've got Ali Tisro, our crypto engineer. I'm going to call him that. We're going to bring Ali Tisro into the show right now and answer that question and anything else related. Ali Tisro, you're live on Martyn Lucas Investor. How are you?
Hello, Martin. How are you doing?
Hey, calling from Switzerland, you lucky man. Ooh, lovely.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I'm not sure if my video is live on the channel, but
oh,
here
you're in
I am.
video. You're in video. Okay, let me go into there and have a look. Hang on a minute. Let me bring you on the screen. I didn't realize you were actually on video, so let's put you on the screen a minute. Let's take you full screen. And we'll bring Ali Tisro. Look, here he is. Look at this. Beautiful scenery. Let me bring you on the screen. There you go. Look at that. It's like Christmas, isn't it?
Exactly. That's what it feels like. I thought I'd quickly hop on the USDC news. I'm here from me. I'm a verified user, and so there is currently news. Well, I have seen it has depegged to 99 cents. I would not worry about this. If there's any stablecoin will be in, it's USDC. It's backed 1-to-1. It had some funds in one of the banks that has been defaulting. So we'll stay up to date with the news. If anything happens, we can always change it over. But for now, I will not panic at all. Once again, if there was any stablecoin I'll be in, it's USDC. I really think the chance of it collapsing are less than 5%. I'm willing to put my money on that. That's why I've not told anyone else to do anything about this news. This has happened in the past. You look at the chart, there has been, when there's lots of volatility, the USDC does peg. It has been gone low as 97 cents before. No worries. I'm not panicking. You should not panic. We'll see where it goes. If I hear any more news, I'll be right on the Discord. I'll be calling in firsthand. So please do not worry about this.
Brilliant. Okay, because I've currently got, I think, $710 in USDC. I'm earning 4% from Coinbase. Do you think that staking of 4% will continue, or they might remove that?
That staking should continue. Coinbase, the issue is we do not know what Gary Gensler is going to do. I don't know what his plan seems to be, going after exchanges for staking. It seems like a very, very silly move. I don't think they'll continue with it. If it goes away, then you might lose in the United States, but other countries will be fine. We'll see where it goes. I mean, for now, it's great. We're earning 4%. We're earning free money. So we'll see where that goes. If we lose it, we lose it. We'll make more money off the crypto.
Okay, Ali, I'm just sorry to ask you to repeat this, but there was a technical glitch at the beginning, and just so I can put this out as a video, if you wouldn't mind just making your statement about Coinbase and the USDC depegging. I think the audio was muted, so could you make that statement again so I could use this as a video? So I'll introduce it again. Guys, breaking news here. USDC has now become depegged. So we've got Ali Tisro on the line calling us in from Switzerland, as you can see here. He's our guy who does all our crypto analysis and takes care of us, if you like. So, Ali, I've got you on the line now. Tell me what the news is with USDC being depegged.
USDC has become depegged. That is confirmed. I have looked at the charts. In the last couple hours, it has depegged. It's at 99 cents. This is not good news. It's not what we want to hear, but I would not panic. USDC is audited. It is backed 1-to-1. It's better than USDT. It's better than UST, which we saw collapse earlier late last year. The issue is they had exposed funds to the bank, which is defaulting. This should just be short term. We have seen this happen before. You look at the chart; it has depegged at times of volatility, like any other stablecoin. I wouldn't panic. You shouldn't panic. I know you have the funds in USDC for the crypto challenge. I have a lot of USDC. I'm not panicking. For now, I wouldn't panic. I'll let you guys know if there's any additional news, if we have to make any moves.
Lovely.
But I think the chances are less than 5%.
And as far as the staking, the 4% I'm receiving, you think that's relatively safe on Coinbase to continue?
I think the chances of that are more 60% is going to continue, 40%. It's not just because of the action they took against Kraken, but Kraken was an exchange that didn't have money to defend itself. Coinbase has said they'll take this matter to court. I don't see it going away. It will be a terrible mistake from Gagans. This USDC staking secures the network. It's part of crypto. There is no need to remove that. It will be a very silly move. I don't think they will do it. If they do it, we'll make more money than 4%. But right now, we're earning free money, 4% on crypto, on Coinbase, and that's great. And I'll take it while I can.
Great. So there you go. That was Ali Tisro, our crypto challenge guy, if you like. He's taking care of our crypto challenge. If you would like to be part of it, I actually have $1,000 of my own money. There are members of our channel who have $7,000 of their own money doing a $100,000 challenge. Mine is $1,000 to $10,000. If you want to be part of it, this is Ali Tisro calling in from Switzerland, giving us the breaking news. This has only just happened, and we wanted to reassure everybody that follows my show, follows our challenge. My money is still in there. I can share it on the screen now. I'm going to do that right now and share with you. Here is my USDC. You can see it on the coming in now. Here it comes. Here is my USDC. A part of my $1,000. Most of my money is in USDC at the moment. We are starting to buy crypto, but at the moment we're waiting for opportunities. But I'm earning the 4% in USDC, and as you heard Ali say there, that he's not concerned. He has USDC. I'm leaving my money in there. We don't know if the 4% will carry on, of course, but hey, it's there right now, so I'll enjoy it as long as it does. But Ali, enjoy your holiday. Thank you for taking the time to call in for us.
No worries. Thank you very much, Martin. Good luck with your trades.
Thank you very much indeed. Ali Tisro calling in there from Switzerland. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you, Ali, for always being on hand. There you go. So there you go. If you'd like more information on our crypto challenge, go below our video and you will see the links to the Discord channel where Ali does his analysis and charts and so on and so forth, and you can be part of it. It is a premium service. However, if you want to get a lifetime discount, which you can, go to my Discord server, become a member of my channel, and you effectively get my membership virtually for free, and you can get a lifetime discount to Ali's server. So there you go. This was the day where we heard about USDC depegging, and that's our opinion. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, I'll put that out as a video later, guys. Thank you very much indeed. The bell is now gone. We're all done. Let me... oh, that's right at the end of the show, so that'll be easy to find. What was the answer on Tilray Outlook? Tilray Outlook. I'm still bullish on Tilray. I haven't changed. Am I adding more money? No. Do I still think it go to $40 a stock? Yes. This is all the part of the day-to-day for me. I'm not really changing my position. That's how I feel about it. What do you feel about it? Dunkey, what's your thoughts on it? Okay, let's do... did we do Day Trader of the Day? Today? We didn't, did we? No, we didn't. So, here we go. Let's do Day Trader of the Day. Let's do a quick a commercial break. 1 second. Let me just mute the Discord server and bring everybody up to date with a quick commercial break. There we go. If you smash the like button, if we get 100 likes, we will give away a $10 cash prize on the show. Okay, right, Day Trader of the Day. Here we go. So now then, this is the last time to mention to you on Sunday, our newsletter comes out with all our updates and research over the weekend. It will come out on Sunday morning, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, 2 p.m. GMT. It's a free service. Anyone can have the newsletter. There are many benefits to it. There's many things in there, fun and games. There's even a cash giveaway in there if you are a subscriber on Twitch, where you can subscribe for free using Amazon Prime, and we give a cash prize away every first Friday of the month. Here is my weekly newsletter link. It's in the all links buttons below every single video. So there is the link. If you click on that link, it'll bring you to this page here. And it's the all links button, and right at the top you can see the Investor Channel newsletter. It's a secure HTTPS server. It's a secure newsletter. I don't use your emails for anything. I wouldn't even know how to. I wouldn't even know how to. I just simply send you a newsletter every Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT. When you click on this link here, it will send you a verification email. The verification email will then come through to you, which might go into your junk folder because it contains cash prize draw words, and it also is a newsletter. There is the email you're looking for. Look in your junk folder, verify it. And then on Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT, you'll receive it. If you don't receive it, it's either because you never verified it and you didn't get the verification email, and you'll know, of course, if you got the verification email, because that approves the newsletter. If you did all that, I would imagine it's got into your junk folder again. If you'd like to receive our newsletter, keeps you up to date with the show, what's going on, research over the weekend, and it's a fun read for a Sunday. Okay, and an opportunity there to win some money as well. All right, okay. We got a comment from Dunkey. My thought, until it's legalized in the US, I don't know that I see the catalyst to $40. Exactly. I am talking about it being legalized. It won't be $40 until it's legalized. And I do believe that when it does, and it should, I want to have shares. Exactly. That's why you want to buy it now. However, I'm not buying more and more at any price. I don't care if it's gone down today. I want to just own. I've got enough in there. It's 1.7% of my portfolio. That's absolutely fine. Okay, we'll do day trader of the day after this. Pete Barker, SVB, which is Silicon Valley Bank, website list Shopify, VC firm Anderson Horowitz, and cybersecurity firm CrowdStrike Holdings among its clients. Pete Barker, do you know if it services Virgin Galactic or Virgin Orbit or any of the stocks that I hold? But anyway, SVB website lists Shopify, VC firm Anderson Horowitz, and cybersecurity firm CrowdStrike Holdings among its clients. They're the ones you don't want right now. If you own any of those, I would have thought you'd want to sell those and get out. But that's only my opinion. Doesn't mean to say because the bank's going down, those stocks will go down. But it would, I would imagine, put huge pressure from others who think it will. In other words, they will sell, so the stock price will go down. It might present opportunity for you to buy up cheap shares if you really believe in the company. But even if you believe in the company, how are they funded? If they can't get finance from anywhere else, it can destroy those other businesses as well. So anyway, just bear that in mind. Let's do day trader of the day, down 1.47. Down 1.47%. There's my position there. It did business with nearly half of all US venture capital-backed startups and 40% of US venture-backed tech and healthcare companies that went public last year. So a lot of companies basically that we are involved with could have exposure to this. So this could be bad. Anyway, I am very happy that I'm only down 1.47%. It's no surprise because predominantly I am in the safest of houses. That is why I am where I am. I've been saying forever, the best form of defense, the best form of attack is defense. So there we go. Let's put a minute on the clock, see if I win today. I'm not saying I'm going to win, but you never know. I could. Let's have a look. Down 5%. Down 1%. Stephen Lewandowski goes into the lead. Is it worth holding USDC then? Well, I am. like you heard Ali say there, he's not concerned. I'm earning 4%. Of course, if it goes down 4%, does it really matter that you're earning 4%? No. I mean, you know, you can always buy it back. The point is, it's not going to go above $1, is it? So if it's 99 cents, why not sell it, I suppose, and just keep your money in cash? I mean, nothing wrong with that, I suppose. Might be worth thinking about, actually. Is it worth holding? I mean, if you think about it, the only benefit you've got is the 4%. You could just sell it in put it in cash. You missed the 4% for a while. At least you're safe. I mean, your cash is safe, right? Down 3.48. Hey, everyone, have a great weekend. Loads of opportunities for us next week. Oh, George Semaine. I love George Semaine's video. Has everyone seen George Semaine's video? VSB, I believe, it's only bad on the bond market for now. Down 1.77, says Mike. Who's our winner today then? Our winner is down. I think our winner will be being buying the dip, ended down 0.35. That could be the winner then. Yeah, I'm going to keep holding then. Yeah, I mean, that's what we're doing, right? That's what we're doing. At the moment, I'm earning 4%. Ali wasn't concerned at all. But again, it's only his experience. I mean, it's my money. I mean, look, I'm sitting here with it. Here it is. Let me just share with you. It's not gone down. Look, let me put it on the screen. Hi, Ali. Here it is. Let me just share with you my position. Okay, here's my position. Look, in USDC. There it is. Hasn't moved. You can see, look, I've earned $3 because my 4%. Look, there's my lifetime earnings. Let me see if I can put it on the screen a minute. Just bear with me a second. My assets. Yeah. USDC. Just trying to see any information here. Entering standard earning standard rate. Yeah. I've not lost any money on it at all. It's exactly the same. So yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, I'm leaving it where it is. My crypto challenge, my money hasn't changed. It's gone down a bit today because I've been buying the assets with it, but it's hardly moved at all. Anyway, Stephen Lewandowski wins, I think, day trader of the day. Sorry, I got sidetracked then, didn't I? Down 1%. No, it was somebody else, actually. It was Microsoft dividend was a nice surprise. Oh, hang on a minute. Let me just come back to the winner. Microsoft dividend. Did you get paid out today? I didn't see that today. Oh, yes. 19 hours ago, I got $1.52. There you go. There's my Microsoft, $1.52. But I only own 2 shares. It's not bad, actually, is it, for just 2 shares? But yes, there we go. What platform are you holding, USDC? Coinbase. It's on my Coinbase. I am shorting everything because of the DPEG. I'm not shorting anything. I never short anything. It's not me at all. I don't do that. It's very risky. Remember, shorters always win the battles but always lose the wars. I never do it. It's not my thing. Down 2.59 says Roger Duchon. Sorry, Roger Fouchon. Let me scroll back up. Yeah, Pete Barker is the winner. Down 0.35. Stephen Lewandowski was down 1. So there you go. The winner is Pete Barker. So is Pete a member? No, he's not a member. He would have won. He would have won, but he's not a member. So the verified winner then is definitely Stephen Lewandowski. There we go. Congratulations, Stephen. I thought just about to give it away then. Thank you very much for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up and give him the sound effects. There you go. Congratulations. All right, there we go. Right, it's time to wrap up the show. Is it any good? Is Coinbase any good? Well, the only reason, Carl, that we are using Coinbase is for... I wouldn't have any of it. I'd only have Robinhood. The reason why we're using Coinbase and is for one simple reason. For our crypto challenge, is so we can... share our crypto challenge. And the reason we're doing it is it's connected to the SEC. It's a publicly traded company. So we're going to have some kind of, stability. So, yeah. Now, I'm going to give you, Carl, my link to Coinbase. Because if you use my referral to Coinbase, you can get free Bitcoin. Here it is. Let me share with you on the screen. Do you want $10 of Bitcoin for free? Do you want $10 of Bitcoin for free? Of course you do. Why wouldn't you? $10 in Bitcoin for you and $10 for a friend. All right? So I'm going to give you my Coinbase link now. You obviously don't have it. Let me go into here and into the live show. And anybody who does this using my referral, we all get $10. There you go. There is my referral to you. All right. Anybody who wants that, I've put that on the screen. It's in the chat. You can see it. All right. Okay. Anthony, we got a new guest here. Attorney Scott Miller. Make money right now in crypto and trading future contracts by trading both sides in this volatile market. That's his comment this afternoon. He's a guest here. We've never seen him before. Welcome to our channel. George Semaine, good luck at the new venue tomorrow. They're lucky to have you. Don't undersell yourself. Well, they do pay me the top brass, mate. They pay me more than anybody else, so I'm happy about that. Send me your link also. Roger Fouchon, it's in the chat. It's in the chat. Can you see it? I'll do it again. Anybody who gets this, you could be on our crypto challenge. You can get $10 worth of Bitcoin for free. Also, this is very exciting right now as well. We're giving away, there's another gift as well. We've got a great one here. We're giving away, I think, $35 worth of crypto. Sorry, not crypto, stocks, beg your pardon. Where is it right now? Just bear with me a second. Refer a friend. Where have you gone? Just bear with me. I'll give it to you right now. This is really cool. There we go. Refer and earn. All right. So we've got two here. Two deals at the moment. We've got Robinhood Gold. I am on Robinhood Gold. It's $5 a month, but because of that, I earn 4%. 4.25 actually. Sorry, 4.15 on my APY for my uninvested cash. And you get $20. I get $20. I think you get something as well. But also, we both get free stocks. Get $35 worth of free stock each time you invite a friend. But you get the same. We all win free money. So I'm going to put my link for that as well. Okay. Let me give you the link. Share the link. Here is if you want gold. If you want gold like I have, it's $5 a month. I think it's really worth it. It gives me extra information, extra charts information. I find it useful. Just bear with me. I'm just shortening the comment. They've made it too long. There we go. There you go. There's my link if you want gold. you get some benefits there. And here is my link if you want the free stocks. This is a cool one as well. Invite friends. Here we go. Invite contacts. Here we go. Cancel, share link. Copy. And I will share on the show live what I get as well, so you know exactly what I've got. Here he goes. This is for obviously only people in America. If you're in America. Now, we do know that many of you want Robinhood. It's coming to the UK this year. A lot of my audience, half of my audience is in the UK. And I can't wait to share that with everybody. And then we all win again on that one, right? Also, use Martyn's link, and after you can do lessons on certain... Oh, yes, that's right. If you use my link, guys, you can also earn some more money, up to about $30, I think it is. I think it's $30. You can earn money doing the little quizzes on the on the app, and I've done all those, and that's useful. And also, then you can stake your USDC coin and earn 4%. No brainer, right? Only on Coinbase. There you go. Watch a video, answer a question, and free crypto. You can sell it also. There you go. Yes, I see it. Great. Using... I wouldn't recommend this here. We've got someone saying here using 20 times leverage. I wouldn't be doing that. I don't know who this person is, so I can't verify this person here. So I'll be very, very wary about what information we're seeing here. We don't know who that person is. They're not a member of our channel. We can't verify them. I just don't want anyone to get caught out with somebody trying to promote something they shouldn't. Anyway, that's not what we do on this channel. We want to be the most honest YouTube channel on YouTube. That kind of speaks for itself, doesn't it? Right. Okay, we are done. Overtime, we don't do them things, Scott Miller. No, we're not interested in that. He might be a genuine person, but the fact he's called attorney Scott Miller gives me the impression that he's probably not that person at all, and he's not an attorney at all, and some people get caught out. I don't know if that's genuine or not. Understandable. Understand it before writing it off. Well, we're not writing anything off. Hang on a minute. He is a member. This person is a member. Hang on a minute. When did you become a member? This person is a member of our channel. I don't remember seeing this person before. I apologise. Have you changed your name? Because I don't remember you being a member of our channel. My firm is in Boca Raton, he says. Attorney Scott Miller. I didn't know that you were a member of our channel. Have you changed your name? Does anybody recognise this person? Let me go look now on our channel, because someone here was claiming to be... and apologise to you, Scott, if you genuinely are. We're just here to protect our members. Member for 3 months. Okay, let me just check a minute. We're here to protect everybody, including you, of course. So we just want to make sure we know who we're talking to. Let me just check. My concern is for you guys. I was AFK for 2 months. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. All right. Well, in that case then, we need to upgrade you onto Discord. You can call in and you can be on the show and you can talk all about your ideas, and we can share it with everybody. So let me see. I'm trying to find you on the list here. Oh, there he is. Yes, 2 months. Rejoined 25 days ago. Lovely to have you here. Thank you very much for being part of our channel. You are a bronze member. Yes, indeed you are. I didn't send a link. No, Scott, you didn't. I know, but you gave. You talked about leverage, and we talk about all the time protecting people from people advising them to use leverage and margin and all these kind of things. We're here to protect people, and I'm sure as an attorney you want that. Let me give you the Discord link, and you can. I need to upgrade you because when as a member you can get access to all the exclusive content. So here's the Discord link. We do it live on the show. So Monday, if you pop back in, I'll upgrade you. I can do it now if you want to do it now. Otherwise, you do it on Monday. But I do it live in the show. I upgrade it. And if you are a silver member, you can have your own channel as well. You can call in, talk about anything that you want to talk about as a member. You've got the right to do that. Anyway, there you go. I'm sure you don't mind me just checking because we want to make sure. We've had a lot of people come on the show and try to scam people, and I'm here to grow the most honest, real channel on YouTube, and that's what our aim is. Let me scroll down here. Do it on Monday. Okay, wonderful. Thank you very much indeed for your understanding. Right, I think we're going to wrap up the show. Thank you very much indeed. Now, I wanted to ask all my members and friends and so on. I explained to you what was happening with my music channel. So we're just about to lose that big chunk of hours. If you wouldn't mind, going to my music channel and click a playlist and help me stay from becoming demonetized. We're very, very close now. Again, because, and remember, I always told you nothing's new. It's because those hours are falling off now. I told you about them. So let me give you the link to my music channel. It's on the home page of my YouTube channel, of course. But just bear with me a second. Let me refresh the screen. There you go. All you got to do is pick a playlist. Just trying to refresh the screen a second. Good publicity here. Scott Peter Tickton. I've never heard of him. Anyway, so let me go on to the playlist here. Any playlist you like, and just help me keep my channel from being demonetized. It's because I focused on this channel that my music has suffered, and that is my main passion. For those of you who don't know, I was voted the world piano man, and I toured 195 countries all over the world. So all you got to do is pick a playlist, and let's say I pick this one, for example. Doesn't matter which one it is, even the shorts, it doesn't matter. Once you click on it, play all, and at the top right-hand side, there's a little button which says, and you can find the video of me doing with Paul McCartney. You can find all the different videos. I apologise for the speed of my computer this afternoon. It's a little bit delayed. I'll come back to it in a second. Oh, there we go. It's back now. But right in the top corner is the information. Blimey. It's Friday. The computer needs to be restarted. Right. Okay. So what you do is you click on the screen. There you go. Can you see that? If you just click on the screen, loop, and you can loop this video. There you go. Loop the playlist. See at the top there, look, and it will give me the watch time. Right at the top here, just there, look, there's a loop. Click that, and it will play this playlist through, and it will loop it, and it will go on for hours and hours. And hopefully, by next week, we should have got over the hump that's falling off, and we should be back to our 4,000 watch hours, and we will be keep the channel alive. Thank you ever so much for your consideration. And Mike still has it running. I listened to last night's show again today. Thank you, Carl. Thank you. We had a lot of fun last night. And you don't have to be listening. You just put it on mute and let it run in the background, and it'll all be good. Thank you very much indeed. Guys, I will be a member if Scott is not a scammer. Fortnite Chills. We don't know. We don't know who Scott is, of course. I've no idea. Why are you saying that, Fortnite? What do you know? Guys, I will be a member if Scott is not a scammer. He's a scammer. Why do you say that? We give everyone the benefit of the doubt. We trust everyone until they lie to us, and then we know, right? But I trust everyone. Okay. I was just bringing this up to show everybody so you knew what I was talking about. Yeah, I know. But some people believe in leverage. Some people believe in all that. It's not for me. I've used it before, but not anymore. Some people do. You don't know, you know. I also looped your music channel all day. Thank you very much. Here we go. This is what I wanted to show you. Here is just a couple of seconds. Bear with me. Virgin Galactic is just slightly moving in the after hours. Okay, here we go. I've got it up now. Right. It's a 365-day rolling time. That's what it's all about. Right, here we go. Now I can show you exactly what I mean. I want everyone to understand what I'm talking about. Here we go. Right, you can see it now. There you go. Now, this is when I started doing my investor channel. Let's see, I wasn't doing any music at all. No hours, no out, and I forgot all about it. And then I asked you guys to watch it, and then boom, look. And then it sort of fizzled out a little bit, understandable. And now, look, you can see it's starting to go up again. But that's the problem. Once that falls off, and that's about 500-600 hours, when that falls off and we get back down to here, this will roll along and the channel will start to grow slowly. Make sense? Start to grow slowly. So that's what it's all about. So hopefully, if you can watch it, once that falls off, the channel will grow. Make sense? Yeah, Scott, please don't be offended. People don't know who you are until we verify them. Now, obviously, you are a member, but obviously you've changed your name. We didn't know, and that's the thing. We don't know who you are, so I'm giving you every benefit of the doubt. You're probably the nicest person in the world. We just don't know. So all I'm saying is if you are wanting to talk about leverage and all this kind of stuff, please do call in via Discord, share your thoughts on the screen, and we'd love to talk to you. We'd love to know more. And if there is a platform or information you'd like me to look at and study, and everybody else, share it with us, and we'd love to look at it. But I want to thank you for your membership, and I'm assuming that you are legit. We're just making sure to protect everyone. All right. USDC as unpegged today, but Ali Tisro has confirmed to us it is 99 cents, not 98 cents. Fortnite, we know you're not being rude. You're just protecting the family, and that's what this channel is all about. And if Scott is the decent chap, I'm sure he is, then I'm sure he will understand. Everybody who is decent understands. It's there to protect everybody, not just individuals, everybody. All right? So anyway, we're going to wrap up the show. I look forward to getting you into Discord and hearing all about what you think. Scott Miller? All right. Let me have a little look at USDC. In fact, I'm going to do it off air. I'm going to do some research. So so no one is concerned and worried. If we find, or you don't do your own research now, because I'm going to end the show. If we find that USDC is losing value right now, if it is losing value, then obviously the 4% doesn't benefit you. The APR you're earning from Coinbase doesn't benefit you. If it drops 4% in value and you earn 4%, there's no point. So for me, if it does drop, then you might want to cut your losses and just put it back in cash until it gets pegged again. that's my thought. You heard what Ali said. He's not worried. He's not concerned. But he will post into Discord. So keep your notifications turned on. If USDC does drop, we will hear all about it. I'm just looking there now and seeing if we're having any information. No, nothing at all. And I'm sure Ali will post it. And I will be looking at it. And all you guys, if you look at it, please do share that. All right. All right. Thank you ever so much indeed. It's time to go. We've done Day Trader of the Day. Let's roll the credits. Let's get out of here. I'll see you all back on Monday. I am keeping my eye on USDC for everybody. I don't want anyone to lose out there. Never too old to learn something new. See you on Monday, Scott Miller. I'm 63. Yeah, I'd love to know all about it. Whatever he's talking about, we'd love to hear all about it. Indeed, we would. All right. Let's bring in the music and let's get out of here. All right. My computer's really struggling today. This does it sometimes. Makes life really hard for me when nothing's working like this. But anyway. Yeah. We wasn't supposed to get a little fancy sound there. But never mind. Alright, we'll try again. End camera 1. Maybe I need a new computer. I don't know. It's the most expensive computer I could buy that was available 2 years ago. But maybe it's getting slower now. All that whiskey, yeah, that's probably what it was. I was feeding the whiskey into the computer. And, yeah, spillage. Trying to get this to come up. Why isn't it coming up? Right, that's working. Sorry about this, guys. All right, I'll see you all back on Monday. New subscribers, Dimas Fonka. Thank you ever so much indeed. New members, Simon Jones. Thank you very much indeed. We've got a new member on the channel today. Let me have a quick look at the subscribers. Did we get any more subscribers today? Public ones. 6697, 6698. We're 2 away from 6,700, and we are just 100 days away now, 99 days away from 1 million views, and by the end of the year we should be at 10,000 subscribers. There you go. We're supposed to be back on my main screen, but we're not. I apologize for that. Anyway, I will see you all back. You're going to come back or not? We're going to come back or not, or we're just going to end the show right there? Have a good weekend, guys. Have a lovely time. And, oh, there we go. We're finally back. All right, brilliant. That's it from me. And until next time, take care of yourselves. This might take about 10 minutes for it to change scenes, but we'll see what happens. Take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye for now.